Stop spending millions of dollars on different AI tools like Jasper. OpenAI is free. I know you all been hearing a lot about ChatGPT for lead generation lately. This hype is real.
ChatGPT has already made
ChatGPT strategy.
ChatGPT.
AI is currently open source and we are seeing a ton of applications with OpenAI and ChatGPT all for free. In fact, ChatGPT reached over 1 million users in just first day. That's crazy, right? Hello and welcome to AnyBiz. Subscribe and press like notification bell button and let's move on. We are going to talk about 5 ways of using ChatGPT to generate leads. Some folks are saying that ChatGPT could potentially replace copywriters and the work we do as lead gens. But don't worry, your job is safe. The truth is, you can't rely on AI tools if you don't have a solid foundation of knowledge in your niche. ChatGPT may sound confident in its answers, but sometimes it's just plain wrong. But as long as you know that, you can still use ChatGPT for lead generation to make your agency more efficient and combat writer's block. SEO keywords with ChatGPT for lead generation. If you've been in the lead gen game for a while, you know that it can be tough to come up with new and creative keywords ideas to boost your SEO. Google Trends is a great place to start as it will give you the data you need to make informed decisions. But here is the thing, ChatGPT can also help you brainstorm some keywords that you might not have thought of on your own. I tried it out myself by prompting ChatGPT to generate 5 keywords for lead generation, and here is what it gave me. Target audience, call to action, landing pages, content marketing, and email marketing. So you can take those keywords and plug them into Google Trends to see which ones might be worth considering based on the data. Give it a shot and see what you come up with. Midjourney for lead generation ads. Are you running ads for lead generation and on the hunt of some cool images? Facebook has got a lot of royalty-free images on their database, but if you really want to up your game, you should check out Midjourney. When I first tested this, it was rough, but this is because you have to be able to describe it in details and in an appropriate way. In fact, just to give you an idea of how far it's come, here is an example of a prompt I put into Midjourney and what it came up with. Add copy with ChatGPT for lead generation. You know how important it is to nail the first 3 lines of your Facebook ads and variations. If you're stumped for ideas when it comes to writing variations of those first 3 lines, you can hop onto ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite them for you. As many versions as you'd like. Here is the prompt I gave ChatGPT for lead generation. Write 10 Facebook ads about agency owners struggling to land clients with Facebook ads. ChatGPT came up with these ideas. But it doesn't just stop here. ChatGPT remembers your conversation. If you want to give those more of a flair, ask GPT to rewrite them again and make it sound more clickbaity. Endless possibilities with prompts when it comes to rewriting your ads with ChatGPT for lead generation. OpenAI and ChatGPT for video scripts. This is an awesome tip because if you are running YouTube ads and struggling with copy, just give ChatGPT the subject of your video and any other info you need in your script. It will do the heavy lifting. You will end up with a home run of an opening, a smooth transition to tie everything together, a solution and a call to action written for you. It actually came up with one of those hooks we use in our scripts. Email marketing with ChatGPT for lead generation. If you're all about email marketing like us, you know that building a strong connection with your prospects is key. And what better way to do that than with a good analogy or story? With ChatGPT for lead generation, you can invent some seriously specific stories that will help your prospects get to know, like, and trust you. I wouldn't recommend using these without tweaking them a bit for your audience, but it can generate some great foundations for a story. Hope you will find all of these tips useful to boost your business and make your perfect strategy.